This doesn't normally happen to me, so why not? What's up? How'd you get my number?
Well, we're doing a thing we like to do called second date update, and this is when somebody goes on a first date but doesn't get a second date, and we try to figure out why.
Yes. So we were talking to a lady you met on Bumble, wondering what you could tell us about your date with Beatrice, because she would love to go on a second date. We're a little ghosted right now, and we're just trying to get to the bottom of it.
Oh, wow. Okay. Beatrice was cool. She was sweet. Honestly, guys, I found her a little too neurotic for me. Like, I consider myself pretty easygoing. I'm pretty chill, but she was just, like, paranoid the whole time. She made me verify, this never happened to me, she made me verify my profile on Bumble for, like, my vax card, and I am vaccinated. That didn't seem a problem, but I just found it weird, and then she, like, wanted to text on WhatsApp, and all I know WhatsApp for is people are either scamming people on there or they're, like, cheating on a significant other. So that was red flag number one.
The preferred communication of ashleymadison.com.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, I don't use WhatsApp. That was the red flag number one. And then, I don't even know if it's a red flag. It was just kind of annoying. She asked me to wear my mask out when I wasn't drinking. Like, in between drinks, and we're talking behind a mask. I'm kind of hard of hearing sometimes. Like, read her lips. I don't know. I'm done living out of fear of COVID. I'm back, I'm good, and I just want to get back to normal. And she was nice. I don't know. I decided to be like, I can't deal with that forever.
Well, Beatrice is on the phone with us.
So Beatrice, we've got some answers.
Oh, well, okay.
I don't know how you feel about it.
I just take my health very seriously, and safety. And lots of people are catfished on these dating apps, or like people lie about being vaccinated all the time. So
yeah.
I think like that's okay to see proof of that. And I also have people in my family that are immunocompromised, so I just like to err on the side of caution. Like, I get it. Some people do find what I asked for, like my precautions, maybe too much, but.
Right.
But I'm like willing to compromise some of them. It's just that, it takes a little time for me to get to know someone.
Sure.
Listen up.
Sure. Fred, you hearing this?
Rebuttal?
Sorry.
Yeah, I am. I don't, like, and I understand. I'm not trying to be, like, rude about it or anything. It's just, it's hard to, like, make a connection in between, like, all of the rules, if that makes sense. And, again, I had a lot of fun. I don't know. I mean, it kind of made me realize maybe I'm better casually dating right now. And it's hard enough for me to commit to anyone right now, especially when it's hard to get to know them because we're kind of playing the mask on, mask off game. I don't know.
So, is there a shot for a second date here, Fred?
Yeah, like maybe we could sit 4 feet away and then you could not.
4 feet. I just think I'm just kind of casually dating after this. It just kind of made me realize that I'm going to say probably not now.
All right. Hang on, you guys. Hang on. Everybody has their comfort zone. That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, yeah.
Those two just weren't going to work anyway. Second date, 7:05 weekday mornings. Replays at 9:05. It's Marcus and Corey. It's Wednesday.
We just had a long weekend,
right.
And do you ever get, like, kind of depressed when your vacation is over?
That's the opposite of I need a vacation from my vacation.
Exactly.
But yeah, so they call it the post-vacation blues. Here are some tips on how to get... We're actually kind of funny.
Okay.
So we'll get into it in about 4 minutes. It's Star 103.
Every time you come around, I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful. Conversations with a stranger I barely know, swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose. every pure intention ends when the good times start. Falling over everything to reach the first time spark. Started on the neon lights and then it all got dark. I only know how to go too far. Bad habits lead to nice and then low. Conversation I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. Have to lose or use or do my bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space. And I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. We walked a long way back. But till the fun. Bad habits lead to late nights and then low conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space. And I know things that I say. I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you.
More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today. Star 1013, Marcus and Corey 721. Coming off a long weekend, this seemed apropos. Saw an article that said, how to deal with the post-vacation blues.
It's a real thing.
Can I be honest with you, though? These suggestions,
Okay, because I remember, this is going to sound totally bougie for a second, I apologize.
Go ahead.
But I really did have some postpartum blues after my wedding. Because, like, I spent a year planning it.
Right.
And then it was a really fast week in Mexico. And then it was over.
Yep.
And I was sad.
Oh, this is why I think these suggestions are
Okay.
number one suggestion for beating the quote post-vacation blues is to plan a buffer for when you just took a week off or 2 weeks off. Just take one more day so you can ease into the airline strip landing of life. Just
I get that, but maybe have something to look forward to when you get back. Like, what's your next thing?
right.
Instead of just taking an extra day to lament your loss.
The reality is you can't think about your next thing because you're broke.
That's
You
true.
just came off vacation.
That's true.
And so, yes, there is around, do your laundry, empty your luggage, but not everybody has that privilege. Conversely, I feel like there's nothing worse than landing at 10 o'clock or 10:30 from Hawaii and having to get to work the next day.
I just can't do that anymore. Like, when I don't get enough sleep, I physically feel ill. It
Sure.
feels like a hangover.
Sure.
Sleep hangover.
I can do it for about 4 days and then I'm a total jerk.
Oh, gosh. Because my husband and I already, like, talking about Thanksgiving, and Thanksgiving is the worst time of year to travel.
Right.
And I'm trying to think of that extra, can I take that extra day? Try to avoid some of that chaos?
Corey wants to come back home on a Monday. I've never heard of that, but it seems
It's probably going to still be nuts.
but not as nuts.
Not as nuts.
Another one I think is a privileged suggestion for coping with the post-vacation blues. Try to maintain a vacation mindset. If there's a cocktail you drink while you're on vacation, for me it's a rum and pineapple. Rum and pineapple at home. But they're all try a new restaurant when you get back. You should get a massage like you do on vacation.
I just spent all my money. I can't get a massage.
Where's this extra cash of cash sitting around waiting for me to come back from vacation? I want to know who's holding like that.
Maybe
Yeah.
you don't get the massage while you're on vacation because you know it's going to be more expensive. And then you come back
But
home
that's,
and get it.
but that's why you do it on vacation. Here are a couple suggestions I think would work. A, practice gratitudes. Remember your vacation. Look at your pictures. Think about what a glorious experience it was.
Well, you could print some pictures out, make a scrapbook, you know, stickers and some decorations in there.
Just like that. Acknowledge your feelings. Sad that you just came back from a week in Mexico and your wedding's over. That's okay. It's okay not to be okay for a sec.
Yeah, it was fine.
Yeah.
It was fine.
And then the one thing they suggest all the time for anything, exercise.
Oh, yeah.
Because it'll pop your endorphins up.
That one. Oh, it's that whole is in motion, therefore endorphins flow, and then I'm happy.
Blah, blah, blah. All right. Tips on how you handle coming back from vacation, landing back into reality. Let us know with the talkback feature on the iHeartRadio app. That little red microphone, you can spout off for about 30 seconds. We might even play on the air. Just vacation from my vacations. We're going to check what's trending in a little bit. What do you got?
Well, I guess this Tom Brady-Giselle Bundchen thing is bigger than we thought.
It's not going away, is it?
They have not reconciled, and they have not seen each other.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll get you caught up coming up at 7:50. It's Marcus and Corey Morning Show. Did you know that the new Galaxy Z Fold 4 is officially here? And it's changing the productivity game. Put Z Fold 4 in flex mode and do more at once while tuning into a call or watch. With the incredible multi-window view, you can use up to 3 apps at the same time, making it easier to check things off your to-do list. And don't worry about sacrificing screen size when you're working it on the go. Z Fold 4 is built with an expansive, foldable screen that gives you an unrivaled viewing experience from virtually anywhere. Visit Samsung.com today to order your Galaxy Z Fold 4.
You know those amazing spots only the true San Francisco locals are in on? Like that place with the square pizzas? Or the spot for sweet and sour chicken that's anything but so-so? Or, you know, with the ranch dressing. And all the other spots the real SF locals know without us even saying them. Yeah, they're on DoorDash. San Francisco gets it. DoorDash has it.
Are you looking for a rewarding new career? Join the United States Postal Service and apply for roles nationwide. Serve your community with pride. Benefits including competitive pay and opportunities for advancement. Whether you are looking for full-time, part-time, or seasonal positions, we have options that may be perfect for you. The United States Postal Service is an equal opportunity employer. Apply now at USPS.com/careers.
If you're buying a new car or used one, it's a big investment, which is why you should choose Pennzoil Platinum. The life of your engine and protect it up to 15 years or 500,000 miles, whichever comes first, guaranteed. That's because Pennzoil's base oil is made from natural gas and 99.5% free from engine clogging impurities. The proof is in the Pennzoil. Enrollment required. Keep your receipts. Other conditions apply. See Pennzoil.com/warranty. Complete Auto Care.
A typical morning here in the neighborhood buzz, but today seems sweeter, and I'm sure it's because I'm getting boosted, boosting my immunity, getting boosted, protected from COVID-19. Go to myturn.ca.gov to find boosters for ages 5 and up. Stay healthy and strong. Get boosted. Brought to you by the California Department of
Save on your supplements during the big semi-annual sale at Whole Foods Market. Take 25% off all supplements through September 13th while supplies last. Plus, Prime members save an extra 10%. Shop now, in-store or online. Terms apply.
Here are some tips to stay safer from extreme heat. Stay cool indoors, stay hydrated, and stay connected to family and friends, especially those who are elderly or have a health condition. Finally, stay informed and Point Center by visiting caloes.ca.gov. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health.
In order for small business